Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with Morning Market Stir for Thursday, November the 17th. Stocks were not the story. The dollar index surged yesterday 100.60, new multi-year highs there, giving the market something to pay attention to. Crude oil held up relatively well, made some new relative highs at 46.40 during the session yesterday, ended up closing at 45.60, so down a quarter on the day, but holding the gains, bouncing off the Monday lows. Gold was also steady, unchanged on the day at 12.24, new relative highs there at 12.33, with the weekly lows at 12.11 as a support bottom to see if we can bounce from here. So looking at the other markets, stocks were steady on the session, led again by tech after the recent sell-off. We were up about 0.5% in the NDX yesterday. We had the Dow futures down 50 and the S&P -3 for about a 0.25% loss. So after the steadiness in stocks and the action in the dollar, where do things stand on this Thursday morning? Steady once again. Right now, the S&P is up about a point. We've got the Nasdaq futures up 4, and the Dow right now, as we stand, is relatively unchanged. Looking at that dollar, where the focus is, it did not make new highs yet today. We'll see. There's still a lot of session left to go. But right now, we stand down 25 points at 120 in that dollar index. The euro currency's had a bit of a bounce at 107.5, up off its lows right now, up 40 points as it stands. Looking at the gold market, gold right now is unchanged, and crude oil, looking at that market, is up 1.5%. We are still trading the December contract, shifting over to the January here next week. Crude oil right now is at 46.15, up 60 cents, but most importantly, it's 10% off of its low that it made on Monday morning at 42.22. That was multi-month lows, I think 3-month low plus. So the focus right now continues to be on that dollar. We're getting earnings trickling in at the end of retail season. Walmart came out here this morning. It beat on EPS, was a little short on revenue, but the same store sales were a little bit less than estimates, so you're seeing that stock down about 3%. But remember that bellwether has gained 25% in the last 52 weeks. So to sum up where we are with the stock markets, right now we're up 1 point in the S&P, unchanged in the Dow, and up 3 points in the Nasdaq 100 futures with about an hour to go before the cash stock market open. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.